aware out. And another thing, what you should aware this time, particularly this time, I mean the 18 batch. So R18 batch. For you, you will look at here, the examination pattern also changed compared to the your seniors. In this pattern, in the new pattern of regulations of 2018, every question paper will have a two parts, right? Part A will have the 5 questions. All the 5 questions you must attempt. Each question is going to be carry out about 2 marks. The question paper weightage, all you know that they are 70 marks question paper weightage, but 10 marks has exclusively given for our part A. In a part A, there are 5 questions. So all these 5 questions from the 5 units, or maybe from 2 units or 3 units, it doesn't matter. So there is no specific criteria like no, all units should be covered, all units should not covered. There is a chance to ask here more questions on 1 unit. There is a more question to ask on the 1 unit. But anyhow, all these questions mostly they may be given from the all units. Probably the 5 units they may be concentrated. 5 units they may be concentrated. 1 unit they may be skip out because there are 5 questions only here in the part A. From each unit you can expect here 1 question for the right 2 marks each. Fine. After that, come to the part B. Part B, whenever you're talking about the part B will have a 6 questions. Every unit will have here 2 questions. So whenever you take about unit 1, from unit 1 also, you will be having about the 2 questions. You have to attempt at least, you have to attempt one of the 2. You have here unit wise choice only, but you don't have the overall choice. In the unit 1, there would be the 2 questions. In unit 3, there would be the 2 questions. All the time you have the choice like no, either one of the unit question number 1 or question number 2 of the unit 1 you can write or no. But you have to attempt, you have to prepare for all the 6th unit. So that is the change you have to understand. Your seniors may have here altogether there are 8 questions. We used to ask them about the right 5 questions any. They had a provision that okay, a few chapters they can read thoroughly and 2 chapters they can skip if they feel difficult. But right now the situation is what here, all 6 units you have to be covered. Okay, because you don't have here any choice or any unit to be skip out. If you wanted to score more, you have to study all the 6 units, but you have the choice here unit wise. Okay, so that is the only difference. Okay, then if you look at the model paper, I wanted to share with you now. What is the generally model paper you can have? This this models you don't have right now. Earlier, previous question paper models was there. Right now, we don't have here no reference models for you. So that is the reason I wanted to show you what is the pattern. I wanted to bring you the what is the model paper you can expect in the examination. Yeah, I think everyone can see this, right? See here, part A, there are about the 5 questions. See, for question number 1 itself, there are the 5 sub questions. Compare NFA and DFA, give the example for the left linear grammar and right linear grammar, state pumping lemma for context-free languages, define the unit production and null productions, what is undecidability, right? So likewise, this is the question number 1, part A is the question number 1. When it comes to the part B, you have about, see here, 2 and 3 are from the same unit. So if you look at question number 2 and question number 3, both are from the unit 1. you can write either that second question or third question. So third question is about the interconversion. The first one is about design of DFA. And the second question, whatever you know, this is the most frequently asking question. Design of the DFA for even number of zeros and even number of ones. And fourth and fifth are the questions from the unit number 2. Similar manner, we have the questions from the unit number 3. So 6th and 7th is from the unit number 3. And 8 and 9 is from unit number 4. See, I told you, no, design of odd palindrome is important, or else this is also very important, PDA construction via empty stack. For this one, you have to draw your grammar. After that, you have to design this machine. Then once you are done the 4th unit, this is the 5th unit, Turing machine you are going to be designed for this problem. I told you this is not the A power n, B power n it is. Okay. Then you have to ensure that one string A, B, B is being accepted by this. So, right. Last thing you see, 12th and 13th questions you see, write a short notes on the undecidability problems and Turing machine. Undecidability problem and Turing reducibility, that's a concept. Or else you should write a short notes on the universal Turing machine or automata, right? Bounded automata, or we have halting problem of a Turing machines, right? So likewise, you can have your question paper. This is the new pattern of the question paper for your batch exclusively. This is the model paper prepared by the Amarendra sir last night for you, because you don't have any reference models. So, right. So you have to be concentrated. So finally, what is my intention here? Our questions for other competitive examinations also, your subject is very, very important. That is the reason don't skip this subject. And moreover, in this subject, you can also secure 100 out of 100. Because the subject nature is what? The purely mathematical. That's why I wanted to show you here also. If you look at the GATE exam or PC set or some of the PSC exams, here minimum of the 8 to 10 marks, you'll get it from this particular subject. Okay. So that is why this subject is also very important for the competitive examinations and important for your personal life, or you can say career life. I still remember many of your seniors after joining into the various universities in the USA as a master program. Many of them has taken this is as one of their electives. They also done very well. The people who have failed to do certain questions, no, they used to send me the, please answer me, yes, sir, please send me the answer to this question. Please send me the answer to this question. So likewise, this subject is very interesting and very helpful for all the aspects, not only for your examination, for your career growth, for various competitive examinations. In multiple aspects, this subject is going to be very helpful. I hope you all understood about what are the important topics to be discussed for examination, and what are the topics to be you should remember forever for lifelong, as a lifelong learning. And what are the various domains in the present days uses the concepts of the flat. Okay, so now what I wanted to throw to you, I'm going to give you about certain questions now. You please have a look at on the questions. After that, you have a break for the 5 to 10 minutes. So have a 15 minutes of the break. It's 11 o'clock almost. After the break, I'll come and discuss about all the questions on the model paper. Or else you just let me know in the model paper which questions you feel difficult. You please tell me. Only that part of questions only I'm going to discuss on the right in the next session. Okay. So this is what actually I wanted to share in my present first session. Now you please go through the question paper. Now in the question paper, I'm going to do the WhatsApp now. Okay. The question paper, I'm going to do the WhatsApp in the group. People whoever feel certain questions are very difficult, you please put it in the my personal window. Those questions I'm going to discuss, or else all the questions also I try to discuss in the brief manner. Then what is the way to answer this question? What are the topics to be focused, right? So this is what the point of discussion after the break. Okay, thank you.